Hello, people. My name is Taiwo Adeojo Barami, and you're welcome back to my page. Okay, today I want to talk about a topic called dysgraphia. Dysgraphia is a writing problem, and quite a lot of children have problems with writing. And here we are here today. We want to talk about how we can help our children. What is dysgraphia? Dysgraphia is a neurological condition that affects or disorder that affects the written expression of one. It affects the way we put our thoughts into writing, the way we process it. Some children can have problems with dysgraphia. We have a lot of learning difficulties. We have dyslexia, dyscalculia, auditory processing disorder, visual processing disorder. But today we are looking at dysgraphia. Now, dysgraphia has to do with problems with writing. A lot of children, the children who have special needs, will have problems with their writing. And some of the things you can observe, or traits you can observe, is that the child can be a late talker. The child may not talk on time. The child can have problem with letters, some particular letters, some particular colors. Can reverse letters, can reverse like using P for B. Can reverse numbers. Can have problems with forming words. When the child is about to talk, you find out that the child is a bit slow. And you're just wondering what exactly is the problem with this child. And they might have difficulty with rhymes or rhyming words. Like you're saying bad, bad, ban, and the child is not able to move with the pace you want the child to move. The child is not able to rhyme those words well. They might have problems with naming colors, like identifying particular colors or saying the names. And it is also believed that children who have problems with writing have a very high intelligence. Intelligence. Yes, a lot of children will have problems with writing because the brain and the hand cannot actually work together because the brain is really, really fast and the hand cannot coordinate what the brain is actually saying. So they might find it difficult to write. And that is why you see that some doctors at the end of the day start having difficulty with writing well because the way the brain is working too fast and they need to put those things down. That is why you see that some of their handwritings are bad. And so I'm going to show you some of the activities you could do to help your child in writing. Well, the first thing I do for every child is work on their fine motor skills. Their fine motor skills and the ability to use the muscles of the fine motor skill is really important here, especially for the younger children. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few activities. Okay, pegging is one activity. You could get a ball and ask the child to, fix the peg round the ball. It's actually a way to help the child to work on the fine motor of the finger muscles. Now, another thing is you could do pegging like this. Remove the pegs, and you ask the child to fix them. You can also use this activity to teach colors. You can use it to teach numbers. Ask the child to count the pegs. Then you can also do writing with a big pencil. I like this, especially when a child is just starting to learn how to hold pencil. Teaching the child the pencil grip, you can use this to teach them. You can also use the pencil grip where you have the smaller pencil, just like the way I'm putting this viral inside now. Then just put it inside and ask the child to hold, to help the child. You can do other activities like stacking. This is the building blocks. You can do activities like stacking. You ask the child to fix the building blocks inside each other. You can do activities that has to do with you using the tweezers to pick objects. Okay, let me just make an example here. This is what I have here. Ask the child to pick and drop somewhere, pick and drop somewhere, pick and drop somewhere. You can also teach cutting activity where the child can cut bananas, apple or fruits for you. It's just to help the child to work on their grip. You can also have these soft balls to help the child to fold, and squeeze them so that they can work with them. And as time goes on, when you have actually developed the skills that has to do with the holding, because sometimes they have pains or cramps in their hands, it helps them to develop that writing skill they need. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. My name is Taiwo Adeojo Barami. I'm a life and brand coach, and I also work with children with special needs. I enjoy what I do. Thank you. Bye.